All right, guys, today we are going to learn about ratios and rates. It's a new unit, and a ratio is a comparison of two numbers. I know you've seen it before, and a rate is a ratio that compares numbers of two different kinds, like 3 apples to 4 oranges, or $2.99 for a gallon of gas, things of that nature, okay? A ratio can be written 3 ways, all right? As a fraction in simplest form, with a colon, or the word 2, okay? So an example of a fraction in simplest form would be 3 over 2. That same ratio with a colon would be 3, 2, 2. That means 2. The colon means the word 2, or literally 3, 2, 2. Okay? So this is how it goes. Like in fraction form, the bottom number, when you change from fraction to colon form, the bottom number moves to the right. All right? A rate, again, is a ratio that compares numbers of two different kinds of units. Like, again, apples to oranges, or squares to triangles. Okay? So I could say, if there are 1, 2, 3 triangles and 4 squares, and I ask the ratio of squares to triangles, how would I write that? Well, I would count how many squares I have, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'll write 4, colon, the number of triangles, 1, 2, 3. Or, as a fraction, it would be 4 over 3, 4 squares for 3 triangles, or 4, 2, 3. Okay? All right. Now, another thing is that you may be given like a word problem where you have to translate a ratio to how many of a certain object. Okay, for instance, for the ratio of squid to jellyfish is 12 to 7. Okay. Oops, that was a mistake. Make sure I can still see that. All right, we're good. Okay, it's 12 to 7. That means for every blank squid, there are blank jellyfish. And to fill that out, obviously, so squid 2 jellyfish, so squid, 12 squid, 7 jellyfish, 12 squid, 7 jellyfish. Pretty simple. Okay. Another type of problem would be something like this. For every, make sure that doesn't fall again. Whoops. 3 men, there are 4 women. What is the ratio of women to men? And here's a little trick that's kind of tricky. says for every 3 men, so there's 3 men, there are 4 women. But what it's asking us is the ratio of women to men. So we need women first, then men. So we know that there are 4 women. So 4 women to 3 men. Or 4 women over 3 men. Or 4 to 3. All right. Make sure you take notes on this, and then you can complete your assignment.